Hello student, my name is Anil. So today we are going to learn respiratory system in human being. So today's topic is respiratory system in human being. Okay, so respiratory system consists of nose, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi, bronchi, and the lungs. Now we will study how respiration occurs through these different parts of the respiratory system. So let us start. The first, nose. We will take the nose. Okay. The air enters through the nose enter into the nose through the two opening, and these opening are known as nostrils. These openings are known as nostrils, and these nostrils have hair and mucus. Hair and mucus. So mucus is a jelly type liquid. So hair and mucus both stop dust particles and harmful organism to go inside our body. Okay, and nose is also a sensory organ which help in sense of smell, which give sense of smell. So after nose, in nose the air enter with two nostrils, and here the hair and the mucus stop the dust particles. Now after this, after nose, the second step, pharynx. Okay, so the air then reaches to the pharynx, and pharynx is a common passage for food and the air. Okay, pharynx is you can say pharynx is the area or the pipe through which the food and the air passes. So now we have a question here: if both food and air passes through the same pipe, so why don't they mix up? So they are protected by one muscles flap. Okay, that muscles flap is known as epiglottis. जो एपिग्लोटिस है एक मसल्स होती है फेरनेक्स के अंदर जो फूड और एयर को मिक्सअप होने से रोकती है. ओके. नाउ so after swallowing the food through the pharynx, after the air reaches the pharynx, the air goes to the next level, that is larynx. Okay, so larynx is also known as voice box, and it is located in trachea. Okay, throat के आसपास होता है. So this larynx, this voice box have two vocal cords, and when the air vibrate them, these vocal cords make sound. Okay, जो voice कहलाती है. Now after this, after the larynx, the air reaches to the trachea, and the trachea has rings. These rings are flexible, which prevent the trachea to collapse. They are flexible, which prevent it from collapsing. Okay, now so next one is bronchs or bronchi. So this trachea further divided into two bronchi or bronchi. Okay, left and right, and each bronchi or bronchi enter into lungs. Okay, and these bronches, when enter into lungs, they divided into small branches known as bronchioles. Okay, and these bronchioles connect to the tiny holes, or you can say ducts, are known as alveoli. Okay, क्या हुआ, जो ट्रकिया थी वो डिवाइडेड हुई टू ब्रोंकाई में, means each bronchi enter into two lungs. Okay, each lungs, and these bronchi further divided into small branches known as bronchioles, and these bronchioles further divided into small ducts. Okay, sac-like small ducts which have air sacs. Okay, known as alveoli. And in the alveoli the exchange of gases take place. So here the gases take place through the blood. The blood cell carry the oxygen to different parts of the body and give out carbon dioxide. Through the blood, oxygen and carbon dioxide will exchange take place, and then further these are carried by the same passage to the mouth, so to give out the carbon dioxide. So this is the mechanism of the respiration. Again, you will revise this. See, the air enters the nose, and nose we have two nostrils through which air is filtered with the help of hair and the mucus. And then after the nose, the air passes to the pharynx, and in the pharynx there is a muscles known as epiglottis which prevent the food and the air to mix up. So after the pharynx, the next air will travel to the larynx. It is also known as voice box, and here we have two vocal cords which help in making sound, or the help of which we can speak. Then after the larynx, the air travel to the trachea. Trachea is a pipe and which have rings, and these rings help the trachea to to not to collapse. Okay, and then this trachea further divided into two bronchi, and these each bronchi get into the lungs, and when these bronchi get into the lungs, these bronchi further divided into the bronchioles, and which further divided into small ducts or sacs, you can say, known as alveoli. In alveoli, exchange of gases take place through the blood. So this is the procedure or mechanism of the respiration.